Hi, I'm Linda Newnes from the University of Bath and I'm a Professor in Whole Life Value in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. We work with Marcel McManus, who's a Professor in Environment and Energy, and Brian Squires, who's a Professor in Supply Chains. So what are we doing in our work stream? Well, we know that the food sector and manufacturing of food has a high environmental impact. So in our work package, our area of work, we're actually looking at what are the alternatives to the traditional way of manufacturing food? And actually, are they any better than the current way of doing it? The purpose of our work is to investigate these alternatives, such as cellular agriculture, and see if they are any better. Are they better environmentally, or actually do they have other negative impacts? So in our package, we will be looking at what is the impact on supply chain? What is the impact if we do use cellular agriculture on the wider system, not just in the manufacturing alone? And actually, how does it help our environmental stance in the UK and wider afield? So for our work in our team, we're working across the whole of the CARMA hub. And what we are doing is when people decide to make a decision about the technology they're going to use, or the impact on how a supply chain might work, or actually what materials might we use, we're looking at the environmental, societal and cost benefits of that decision, so we fully understand the impact of what we're doing and make the best and most appropriate decision we can on the way forward to make sure the UK has a resilient and robust manufacturing food sector. If you're interested in what we're doing and you're keen to find out more about it, please get in touch with the CARMA Hub. You can contact us on the email shown on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you.